What's up, everybody? So I have been noticing that my video with my splatter ball gun, the srb400, has definitely been growing and growing and growing. I believe I just passed 41,000 views on that one video. So I do notice that you guys like that video a lot more than my other videos. I'm not going to take offense to that. Just means that I'm going to start posting more stuff about my SRB or anything else that I did. So I did make this little custom suppressor a while back, which is just two plastic tubes. I used my soldering iron, I melted holes all the way around this piece, and then the red on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see it, there we go. The red on the inside is just a second tube that I cut a gash all the way down so it fit inside that inner tube. Does absolutely nothing for the gun. It just makes it look cooler. I am in a parking lot right now with rarely any lights in here right now. I'm gonna show you my tracer mod that I actually installed and modified to my gun. And no, it doesn't have anything to do with this suppressor on it. It's something internally that I did to it when I took it apart. I do have two different rounds right here. This is the tracer round, and this is the normal SRB ammo. I'm gonna shoot the SRB, or my tracer round. These bullets, yes, they're glow-in-the-dark bullets. I will put a link in the description. Like, I'm gonna hold it up to the light for a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna shut the lights off. You kind of can't really see it. Can't really see it that much. I don't have a flashlight on me now, but I will charge these up and I'll show you in a later clip. But I'm going to right now because there's water in here, take some of the water out, load up my magazine, and then I will show you guys the tracer round with my flashlight on and with my flashlight off. All right, this should be good. I didn't do a full mag. I don't know if you guys can see right there, right with the R's. Yeah, there we go. I just did a little bit in it. Just enough so I can make sure it goes through the actual magazine into the gun, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, everybody, so this video is the one with the flashlight on. As you can see, I'm gonna shoot a couple bullets with it on single fire, then I'll do full auto with the tracer rounds, and then I'll do another part where I don't have the flashlight on, and I'll do single fire and then full auto so you guys can see the bullets. And I'll make sure to shut these lights off as well. So this is single fire. Has to load up the bullet first. There we go. So this is single fire. Can't really see it with the light. This is full auto. Oh, actually, let me kill my headlights on my truck. This is single. You can kind of see it, full auto. You guys can see the bullets. Oh, actually, you guys can't, but I can. I can see the bullets still bouncing on the ground. So that was single and full with the flashlight on, the flashlight off. This is single, full auto. All right, so now I'm standing outside and I'm gonna shoot the bullets on the ground. So this is, you can see it. I'm gonna shoot them up in the air now. So yeah, that was the video of my srb400 with my tracer modification on. Let me know how you guys like it and if I should do a video on how to modify your gun.